name is Alfred Muchuga. I'm the regional manager of South Nyanza Regional Office of EACC. Today we arrested the clerk of the Nyamira County Assembly, and I would like him to give you a background of what actually happened up to what led to his arrest today. The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission received a report that alleged irregular procurement and award for the construction of an office block to Jota building administered by the County Assembly of Nyamira. So investigations were done, and we established that the County Government of Nyamira, County Assembly of Nyamira, recommended the award of the tender to the company known as Jota Builders, which was not the lowest evaluated bidder. This actually amounted to conferring a benefit of 30,817,396 to Jota Contractors Limited. So upon investigations and control investigations, we forwarded our investigation file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who upon review approved charges for the following persons. One, Mr. Duke Simon Onyari, who is the clerk of the Nyamira County Assembly. Mr. Leonard Kevin Nyamasege, who is the deputy clerk, Director of Finance and Accounts. Mr. David Nyarango Ombeko, who is the deputy clerk, Director of Legal Services. Ms. Joyce Onyengo, who is the Director of Monitoring, Evaluation and Evaluation Development in the Nyamira County Assembly. Engineer Josephat Martini Oruru, who is the Chief Officer, Roads and Public Works, Nyamira County Government. Mr. Eric Onguti Ayuka, who is the Infrastructure Officer. And finally, Mr. Simon Ondari Ogecha, Infrastructure Officer. One of the suspects was arrested on 19th March and arraigned in court in Nyamira. The case is MCCGCR number 2001 of 2026. Public was a Duke Simon Onyari, 7 others. And this was about the allegation that the regularly awarded tender what? It was actually the initial tender involved around 367 million. So today, we managed to arrest the clerk who has been on the run. We have gone to several courts seeking anticipatory orders. We have actually been trying to avoid the court process, but as we normally say, serikali na nini ina mkono mrefu. So we managed to arrest him today. We are processing him, and tomorrow we will be arraigned him in court. And therefore, I want to urge the other suspects, okay, the other 5 suspects who are remaining, to present themselves to EACC for processing, for them to be arraigned in court accordingly. That's what